Hold on, friend.
Hey there, I'm Henry.
And I'm Holly, and this is Marcus.
Hey everyone.
And this is the new Bose Videobar VB1. It's an all-in-one USB conferencing device. We want to show you one of its most incredible capabilities, the microphone. Show us the magic, Holly.
All right. Well, you all know how it goes. You're on the call and someone's a quiet talker. Or they're really far away and you have to ask them to speak up or move closer to the mic. But watch this. The Bose Videobar VB1 has amazing microphone pickup even when you're facing the other way. It also works in large rooms and rooms with glass walls, just like this one. It has multiple microphones that actively focus on voices, not the entire room, so people sound natural. Multiple microphones means everyone is heard. Right, Marcus?
Right, and that's really important because conversations often flow back and forth.
And it's really important to be able to understand who's talking.
And to understand what they're talking about.
Right. So with the Bose Videobar VB1, you don't have to worry about clarity. All this means interaction in meetings is much more natural and people feel more connected and engaged. So Henry, Marcus and I wanted to talk